And now I'm going to show you some of my other pieces that I do photo transfers on, so you can see some differences there. Here are some examples of my work, just so you can see the difference. This piece was cut out and transferred. So the other pieces I didn't cut out, I just left as is. This you can see like there's brush strokes from the brush, which I really like that. It's kind of really energetic. There's some missing pieces which I really like. I ended up painting the background after I transferred, and then painted the florals. That was the last step. This piece was transferred with acrylic paint, so I didn't use a gel medium, and this is my dad. This part is collaged, and then I just added some details. This is an example of before the background's painted. So I cut out this piece. This is me and my mom, and eventually I'll paint the background and add some details in there. So yeah, and there's a big brush stroke through, and all down here you can see. This is from a magazine. It's not done yet. I want to add more to it, but yeah. And then this one is on wood, like a wood panel. So it's nice and sturdy. And this one is hand tinted. So this part is the photo transfer. Then I painted the background and everything, but I watered down acrylic paint and then tinted these areas. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is my art journal. So there's a couple pieces in here that I transferred in on separate pages. So these two here were transferred onto poster board, or Bristol board, just at the dollar store. This one's from a magazine, and then this one is from a photocopier. Yeah, so it just goes to show you can really experiment and, you know, and try out different things, and yeah, have fun with it. Let me know if you try anything, if there's certain things that if you have any questions or anything like that. I'm really happy to answer. So yeah, that concludes the videos. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you to Create to Learn, Taking It Global and Imaginative for collaborating with me on this. Yeah, we'll go.